Harmful pollutants can be found throughout the whole room, but some conventional purifiers are primarily designed to pass industry tests conducted in small chambers that aren't the size of real living spaces. And because they are designed to work in these small spaces, they don't project air across the room, which means they could develop a bubble of clean air around themselves. Here at Dyson, we didn't think this was good enough, which is why we've developed a new test method that represents real living spaces. We discovered that some living rooms can be as large as 27 meters squared. So, we made our test chamber that size, with 9 sensors to continuously monitor air quality throughout the room and map out exactly how the room is purified. After rigorous testing and 2,605 product prototypes, we concluded that to deliver purified air throughout the whole room, a machine needs to do 3 things. 1, sense pollution events automatically. 2, capture gases and ultrafine particles. And 3, mix, circulate and project purified air around the whole room. These 3 things combined ensure the air is purified anywhere in the room. The Dyson air purifier is designed and tested to do all of this properly. We believe all air purifiers should be tested this way.